Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the third episode of the room transformation series. Today I'm going to be tackling my closet, which is behind me. And the thing is, I wasn't originally going to tackle my closet, but let me just show you the situation I have right now. So this is my closet. This is what it looks like on the inside. As you can tell, it is pretty full. Like, I have this rack, this open rack space right here, but the thing is I got a shelf right there, so I can't put any clothes on the rack right there, otherwise it will interfere with what I have going on the shelf. So this is basically packed full of clothes from here all the way to the back of the closet. And then I have stuff on the shelf here. I got stuff right here. As you can tell, I got my TXT cereal boxes right here. I have all of this right here, which are bins full of clothes. And I even got a bin over here that you guys can't see that's full of bags as well, so I'm gonna have to go through that. And then boxes that I just never emptied when we moved into this house. And then all the way at the bottom is a pile of plushies and a bunch of other stuff that needs to be gone through. So as you can tell, my closet is basically like packed full. I have no more room for clothes. I'm also out of hangers, and this isn't even all of my clothes that I hang up. Hopefully I don't have to get any more hangers for a while, because there are some clothes that are hanging up over here that you guys can't see really, that I'm probably gonna take off the hangers and use those hangers for clothes I actually wear, because I do wear those clothes, but not as often as I wear like my cute pink, white, blue, sometimes purple clothes. I just have a lot to do in my closet, and I'm hoping that I can actually get all of this done today, because I hate going to bed with a project like half finished or just not done and then having to wake up and do it the next day. I don't really know what the plan is except to go through everything and hopefully get rid of some stuff, but that's the only plan that I have. Honestly, like, don't even know where I should start with this. I'm thinking maybe like take all of my clothes out and then go from there, but like I don't know. Do I start with the bins? Do I start with the hanging clothes? Like what do I do? What do I do? So here is a closer look at my closet. As you can tell, it is literally full. Like, boxes down here, those are clean. I don't know why they're on the floor. Boxes down here, piles of stuff, plushies. There's one of those like 3 container things right there that are full of stuff I don't even use. Plushies, clothes hidden behind the plushies, all these clothes, all those clothes, bags, stuff that I just never found a place for, and then random stuff and more clothes hidden under there, and I have more K-pop stuff hidden under here. So there's a lot to tackle today. Okay, so I've decided I'm going to start with the bins first, so that when I move on to my hanging clothes, I can fold those and put them up in the bins and have space. Also, I don't know what that is. Ignore that. So I think I'm going to start with the pants, or maybe this one. I'm gonna start with the pants. Well, there's actually more in here than just pants, but so as you can tell, this is full. I mean, the clothes are literally at the top. So I'm gonna go through this, see what I'm gonna keep, see what I am gonna get rid of, and then move on to the next bins. Me. I got these pants when I went through my Harry Potter phase, and they're so cute, and I would love to hold on to them for like the memories, but I have not worn these since December, and it's June going on July soon, so these are just a no for me. I originally got this shirt for the Stray Kids concert, but I never ended up wearing it. I wore like a Stray Kids fan-made shirt to the concert. I don't think I'll ever touch the shirt again. So much in here that I haven't worn, since 2021, 2022. Like this red skirt, for example, have not worn this in years and probably will never wear it again. And I got this like brown skirt. I might keep some of this stuff, like this black skirt right here and a black tank top if I'm ever in the mood for... Actually, no, I don't wear those clothes anymore. I don't wear brown or black, really. So I don't need to hold on to pieces if I'm not going to wear them anymore. So that can go. These are too big on me. These are too small on me. I don't know. But either way, I'm probably never going to wear them. Oh, I should actually keep this brown one because brown and pink is really cute. So I'll keep the brown one. But this is time for it to go. I got this in 8th grade. Yeah. And then these can go too. And then these are pink sweatpants. So I am going to hold on to these because these are cute. I forgot I even had those. Okay, so these are all the clothes that I'm keeping from that bin. And these are all the clothes I'm getting rid of, which is actually more than half of the bin. Real quick, I just want to show you how cute these pants that I found in my bins are. They're these pink pants with like lace right here. They are too cute. They are too cute. I forgot I had them. Oh my gosh. These were like all the way at the bottom of the bin. All the time in 8th and 9th grade. This shirt is still really cute. Do I want to keep this or do I want to get rid of it? I wear it for dance covers, so I think I'll keep this for dance cover purposes only. This shirt I'm gonna get rid of. I've had this since literally 6th grade, but I haven't worn it in forever. I'm keeping this shirt, obviously. I just don't have room to hang it up. Okay, the lighting's a little bit better now. Sorry about that. I forgot my light was off. This I'm going to keep because I actually love this a lot, even though it's not my style or like color palette. I love this a lot. My Hero Academia shirt. This My Hero Academia shirt can go because I got a cuter My Hero Academia shirt. I'm keeping this, obvi. I am getting rid of this blue pajama set because it's actually uncomfortable. Okay, it is now the time I go through this side of my closet because the bin is almost full of like the shirts and whatnot, so I need to get out what I want out of here so I can put it in the bin. I'm keeping this red shirt, getting rid of this dress because I have not worn it in forever. Hopefully this is a better angle than the one before. I don't know. What else we got? We got a black cardigan and my Stray Kids merch items. Got another anime shirt, another anime, Five Nights at Freddy's. I'm gonna leave that one hanging. This one's gonna stay hanging, and this is gonna stay hanging. So all these three can go back in the closet. These two are going in the bin. Of banana fish, by the way, you guys. I'm going to be getting rid of these two dresses because I don't wear them like at all. And then I am getting rid of this dress as well because I found this at Goodwill. I wore this to school a whole bunch, but ever since then haven't worn it, so I think it's time to get rid of it and give it to someone else. And then I have two other things back here, but those are staying, and then those are Hello Kitty PJs. Or should I get rid of them? I actually don't wear them anymore, so I think I'm gonna get rid of them. And there are more hidden clothes underneath. I think I'm gonna get rid of this shirt because I've had it for so long and I just don't wear it anymore. And I'm keeping this because it's my Ron Weasley sweater, and I'm getting rid of this. So I think those are all the clothes that I have hidden, besides like my shirts that I wear to bleach and dye my hair in. But those are going to stay hidden until I get to that part. just because I don't want to dig them out right now. I just looked at my bed and I still have a lot of shirts on my bed that I decided I was going to keep, and I think that's going to be too much for my bin. So I am going to get rid of this Kakagiri anime shirt because I'm not really into Kakagiri that much anymore. I'm going to get rid of this Demon Slayer shirt, even though I love this one so much. I'm only going to keep 2 of my Demon Slayer shirts because I have this Inosuke one and then this one right here. And this one was my favorite, as you guys can tell, but it's just so worn out that I'm not going to keep it anymore. I am keeping my banana fish shirt though because I love banana fish. Like, I actually am going to get rid of this because I just don't see myself actually wearing it even for covers, because I mostly wear pink in my covers now. So I also think I am gonna get rid of my Jackie Laura shirt. Like, it is cute, I don't think I want it anymore at the same time. Okay, so that is this bin full, and I'm gonna put this back up and then get my last bin down, or my last bin of clothes down. Okay, so it is the next day. I did not get anything done, or I did not finish my closet yesterday, but I just didn't get anything done today because I was honestly too lazy. But I have all these hangers to put away. I'm gonna put those away real quick and also deal with the stuff that's on my bed, because I was planning on doing stuff, but I just didn't end up doing anything. So I'm gonna do those small things right now. Sorry about the lighting and this angle. Oh, my ring light's actually going to work. Hold on. Never mind, it just lied to me. These are all the hangers I got out of decluttering my closet yesterday, which is actually a pretty good amount. Hopefully this is enough for my clothes. If not, then I will have to get more hangers. But until then, this is what I have to work with. Okay, so it is a few days later now, and it is actually late at night. But my closet is not done being cleaned out or organized or anything, and I want it done. So I just decided to get off my bed and get it done. It's not actually going to get done tonight because there's just too much to do in one night. And I know I probably could have done it like over a couple days, but like, your girl just wasn't feeling up for it, if I'm gonna be so honest. Dealing with my closet is a very crazy thing, and I just haven't been in the mood to deal with it or do anything really. But tonight I'm hoping I can at least get the last 2 bins organized and go through them, and then clean up my closet a little bit because it is messy. Stuff is falling out of the closet. Like I said, I want to organize the shelf in there as well, but I'm not going through my Squishmallows or anything. I'm not going to be going through much except for the bins. I have to do this bin still, and then this one that's in the corner over here, and I'm not going to deal with these. I think I'm gonna finish my closet in another video that I'll post later on for this room transformation series. Probably won't be for a while though, so, but we'll see. I'm also gonna listen to Zero Base One while I do this because I don't really want to get distracted by watching something. So I'm just gonna listen to some music. So this is like my skirt bin, and it has some shorts in it. I'm probably going to keep a lot of what's in here. I decided I don't really want to go through this bin up here because there's too much going on up there. There's bags, there's hats, there's just like too much. And I think I'm gonna save that for when I do like my room transformation video. But I am gonna go through and organize this area because, I mean, look at it. It's a mess and it needs to be fixed. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then I'm gonna be done with my closet because that's all I'm doing. That's all I'm doing. That's all I'm allowing myself to do. But yeah, she's a mess. She needs to be fixed. There is a lot going on back here. I mean, this is where I store all my photo cards. There's also magazines under here, way back there. I'm gonna be honest, the stuff I just put in this drawer does not belong in there, like the ribbon, the bag, and the Hatsune Miku keychain. But I don't want it out in the open right now, so that's why I just put them in there. Okay, so this is the way things are looking now. I don't know if you guys can really tell much of a difference, but I can for sure. It's definitely not feeling as cluttered in this area, but like it still is. Everything's still in there technically. It just doesn't feel as if everything were falling down on me. So this is the after of my closet. Ignore that. But that is all I have for today's video. If you guys want to see the rest of the closet clean out / transformation, you guys are going to have to keep your eye out for future videos. It's definitely not going to be looking as messy as it is right now when I'm actually done like organizing it. This was more of like a cleaning out my clothes than more of a closet clean out because I mostly cleaned out my clothes. Got rid of a lot of clothes because I just didn't have the space for new ones that I've recently gotten, so had to fix that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you've made it this far into the video, comment down the bow emoji. Just want to see who's watching all the way through to the end. If you are, I love you and appreciate you so much. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.